Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2016 Subaru WRX Limited all-wheel drive, stock number E1062A. Only 17,000 miles on this WRX. It's a one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, WR Blue Pearl in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Leather interior, not only low miles but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. WRX is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, backup camera, all helping to give it an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's classification. Spacious trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. Body is free of dents or dings. This Limited has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Harman Kardon sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, start, large, easy to read gauges, again only 17,000 miles, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. It's also where you set the adaptive cruise distance, large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to AHA and Pandora music apps. That is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, heated front seats, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's material, auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this WRX has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 268 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. This one won't last long. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.